So yeah, hi guys. This is your Kai Wall Street Wizard, and here we are live again before the London session. And welcome everyone. I will just be waiting for a minute or so to check my connection and everything. I think everything is fine and the connection is perfect, and think that things are all right. Yep. Just let me check it out. I think things are right. So yeah, let's go. So in Euro USG, as I told you yesterday, that in 1 day time frame, that market might come to take up this level, and as usual, market has come to take up this level at this particular point. And then just let me show you it in 1 hour time frame or so. Let me show you. So in 15 minutes time frame, then market actually came to this particular point at this very level, and then just trapped all the buyers and then just went in the downward direction to take up their SLs. And yeah, so at this very particular point, as you guys can see, that market has given a lot of move in the upside direction without taking any particular reversals or a trade in the downward direction. So here it was an ascending triangle at this very point, and after that market just rallied in the upward direction. And so yeah, there wasn't any kind of reversal or any kind of waiting up for the guys to enter or take profit. It was just rallying in the upward direction. So yeah, this is a major direction level for where at this particular moment market is. So you guys can expect a little bit of move in the downward direction at this very particular point. And in 5 minutes time frame, even the market has given a breakout for this particular W pattern. And at this very point, just let me show you, has given a breakout for the W pattern over here, and it is just rallying up. Actually, it is not rallying up, it is just planning to tap up all the buyers and then just dump it down itself like this, so that it can go in further downward direction. So yeah, this is all particularly about this particular trade. And as I told you yesterday, whoever might have watched my live and would have been active at this very particular point, he might have taken a trade in the sell side and made a good and a huge amount of profit. So yeah, this was all about the trade that I gave you yesterday. And now what you guys need to look forward is, you guys constantly need to look forward for a trade in the downward direction or in the sell side. Market is showing that it is going in the upward direction, but it is not actually the case. Market is actually trying to tap up all the buyers and then just go in the downward direction so that it can take the SL hunting and then just rally in the downward direction. Okay, so this is what is all about this particular trade. And yeah, you guys can see a W pattern over here. W pattern is usually for a bullish pattern, but I don't think that this double pattern will continue. It will basically trap the buyers. Okay, so this was all about this Euro USD, a major currency pair. And in yeah, in NSG USD, that is New Zealand dollar. In New Zealand dollars, actually, if you guys see, okay, so yeah, here till this very point in New Zealand dollar, till this very point, there was an inverted descending triangle. There was an inverted descending triangle. And as you guys know that usually whatever happens, if you see any triangle or any pennant pattern forming, any pattern forming over here, oh sorry, any pattern forming over here, the market usually rallies in the direction at which this uh, line at some angle is formed, not the base, not this base. Market usually rallies up in the pattern like here. You see the line is here at some angle, and it is in the upward direction, means it is constantly pushing it up, and then over here up, and then again over here up, and then again over here up. So market gave a breakout in the upward direction only, and our trade was still here only. I didn't give you this trade because I was not very sure of it and I didn't want you guys to make profit, but I actually was very confident of it. So what happened, just let me just remove all this. Yeah, so our trade was actually till over here, and it was a good profit that we made. So it was all about this particular profit and the trade. It was an inverted descending triangle, and market has currently given a breakout for this structure. And after coming to this very particular point, till here, after that market came to the base. As I have always told you guys, that whenever a pattern of ascending triangle, descending triangle, inverted ascending, inverted descending, or any kind of triangle pattern is completed in the manner its volume is exhausted, after that market definitely comes to the base from where it has given a breakout. So it was all about this pattern. And here we come in in USD JPY. In USD JPY, you guys need to see that there is a descending triangle. I've already told you before also, but as I have told you that if a descending triangle is formed, it is not always the case that the market will definitely rally in the downward direction. And if an ascending triangle is formed, it is not always the case that market will rally up in the upside direction. So here also descending triangle is formed, but market is definitely rallying in the upward direction. What you guys need to wait to trade in the upside direction is that let market give a clear breakout of this particular point of the high of this descending triangle. And as you guys can see that market has given a breakout of this descending triangle. And what your target will be if market gives a clear breakout, and if you guys want a trade, so your target can be till this very point. Okay, because there is a very strong rejection from this, so this can be your target. Okay, so this is what your target will be if market actually gives a good amount of breakout. And what you guys need to see is actually at this very point market gave a breakout. Just let me show you. Market gave a breakout over here and then just rallied in the downward direction, taking up the S's, and then it again break out in the upward direction, and then again it's rallying in the downward direction, forming an M pattern. And usually it is the case whenever an M pattern is formed, market is planning to rally in the downward direction. So you guys need to see or check it out. Just don't randomly enter or enter blindly that oh, descending triangle, it has given the breakout for in the high at the high of the descending triangle and we need to enter, otherwise we will miss. Don't be there in the FOMO. Market is not just rallying in the upside direction, you will definitely get an entry. Just wait, just look, let the market break this oh sorry, let the market what is the hell is this, brother? huh. Let market break out this particular high, and after that only plan for an entry in the upside direction. Don't just randomly enter, let market retrace and let it have some levels. And I guys that it is what is happening in this particular trade, that these are some levels that are there in the market and you guys need to respect these levels. Okay, because actually in 1 day time frame, if I show you guys why this descending triangle will not execute itself as it usually executes itself, because market has rallied in the upward direction like this and then just came back and then just rallied in the upward direction. And then here if you guys see, there is an in Fibonacci retracement, there is an 0.786 uh, rejection over here which market might follow. So at this very particular moment, this triangle might not follow. It will definitely uh, there are more number of chances that it will give a breakout in the upward direction and rally in the upward direction after tapping up all the sellers. You guys are seeing that how much strong liquidity it is showing. It's just all because it is trapping up all the buyers over here and it wants to rally in the upside direction. So you guys need to wait and check it out for it. Okay, so what will be our trade direction will be more than 50%. Our trade direction will be in the upside direction or in the buy side, and less than 50% our trade chances will be in the sell side. So you guys need to look for the trade in the buy side direction only. And now next comes gold. So actually in gold at this very moment an ascending triangle is again being formed. As you guys can see, in gold and BTC usually ascending triangles are formed. If you guys can see, this ascending triangle has been formed over here. And now just let me show you guys in 1 day time frame. In 1 day time frame, if you guys see that, yeah, in 1 day time frame, if you guys see that market might go in the upside direction as you are seeing. So here it is an upside direction, and just let me confirm it with you. Wait, let me just show you a thing or two, a thing or two. Yeah, so in 15 minutes time frame, as you guys can see, just let me mark up the levels over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. So yeah, this is, so our level, actually at this very particular moment the market is inside the triangle only, and it is not giving breakout right now or any moment during the London session right now or after the London session or market. I don't think it will even today it will give a breakout for this particular pattern. At this moment it is there inside this triangle only, so you guys just need to be with the market and just play along or whatever the shit it is doing, let it play along. So this is what in longer time frame you guys need to look up for trade in the ascending triangle direction only or in the trade in the upward direction only. And now comes a BTC, our beloved BTC. So what's going on in BTC? In BTC, actually there is a trend line that is happening over here in 15 minutes time frame, and maybe if you guys want to consider it, it is also an ascending triangle. And let me show you till what particular, if this triangle, if BTC gives a clear breakout of ascending triangle, our level of in the upside direction will be till this level. Okay, so at this very particular moment, BTC has given a breakout for this pattern, and maybe it will rally more in the downward direction so that it can trap more sellers, and then just rally in the upside direction till the level that I've told you. Okay, and then comes our Ethereum, and in Ethereum also you guys can see that there's a descending triangle and market is just in between this descending triangle. And if market gives a clear breakout of this descending triangle, then our level will be this. Just let me mark this level for you, then our level will be this. Okay, so what you guys need to understand is that actually market can travel till this very particular point that I have told you, or maybe it will not travel and then just break up its descending triangle and then just rally in the upside direction. So you guys need to look up for it actually at this very particular moment, or immediate trade if you want, or an immediate trade if you want, you can go for trade in the upside direction because market will definitely touch its at least it will come till this very particular point till it's 100 EMA in 15 minutes, and after that it will definitely tap all the buyers and then just rally downward side in the sell side, and then again rally in the in buy side. Okay, so this was all about this major gold, BTC and Ethereum. So this is what you guys need to look upon, and then just let's see what happens. Okay, so if you guys have any question or any queries, please comment down below. I will be more than happy to answer you. And very much thank you for joining this particular live. And hope you have a good day. And bye bye. God bless you all.